So if you're like me, you're doing a lot of remote meetings these days. One of the meetings that my team does is a daily stand-up. It's just a time for us to kind of talk through what we're working on that day and unblock anything that is keeping us from progressing. So what we like to do is send this doc around to everyone on the team. I pulled this doc down, copied it from the Coda gallery, and then before our meeting, everyone comes in and adds their daily update. So it's as simple as clicking this button, and then we choose a color based on how we're feeling. Today I'm feeling green, and I am working on building a doc for our next stand-up meeting. And then what we like to do is walk through each person's update and talk through anything that is blocking them. And then once we've done that, we just click archive and it tucks it away nicely. Of course, you can always go back and show the ones that have been archived. But this is a very simple way that we found to make those stand-up meetings short and effective because we've all been in meetings that drag out way too long. One guiding principle I like to use when I'm building docs for meetings is I like to design my meetings like I design products. So you want to tailor them to the individual needs of the people on your team. So take this as a building block and apply it to your meetings. I would love to know how it goes and if you have any suggestions or questions. Thanks.